Okay, this is the animation domination mind map, and there should be a copy down below of this actual mind map. And I'm going to just kind of walk you through what's needed to do video editing and video animation. And then I'm also going to show you a little tips and tricks that you can do with animation. So I'm going to start here, and we're going to first off, I'm going to talk about timeline editors. These are the backbone of how you create videos. My favorite is, these are video editors. Sometimes they're called timeline editors, sometimes they're video editors. I just refer to them as video editors. My personal favorite is Camtasia. The reason is Camtasia is it's a very simple to use screen capture program, but it's what I'm using right now. It also can do webcam, and it does almost everything that the big boys do, but it's about, I want to say it's either $197 or $297. This is one of the things, if you're serious about video marketing, you've got to have you a good video editor. My personal favorite is Camtasia. I do have a couple of the other ones in there because I'm a video junkie. But I'm going to go through a couple of examples for you of some of the other products. Adobe Premiere. If you have the Adobe CSS monthly package, you've got Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere it's one of these, it's very, very powerful. It's what they use for some movies. It has just about every feature you could ever want to do a professional quality, high quality video. Most of the people that are getting trained to do video editing and videography learn on either Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro is primarily a Mac software. Adobe Premiere works on both Mac and PC. And either one of those are two of the best editors that you could possibly get. Now, do you need them? No. You can get by with Camtasia. What Premiere and Final Cut do for you is they allow a better quality of video editing as far as the color and the look and feel of the video itself. Camtasia doesn't have many video options. Adobe and Final Cut probably have a year's worth of training on just how to recolor the video, how to change the contrast, how to put shadows in it. Do you need it? Not for web video. But if you have it, it's a great tool to have. And if you've already learned on it, you still may need Camtasia to do your screen captures. Okay. The other thing that you may need, now if you're uploading everything to YouTube, you don't really need a compressor. But if you're going to like Easy Video Suite, or you're going to VooPlayer, or you're going to host a video yourself and play it through WordPress, I don't know why you do that, but if you're going to do any type of alternate player besides YouTube, you need to do some compression on it. Handbrake is a video compressor, and it's absolutely free, and it's probably the best thing that you could use. I have a copy of it, and I'll use it occasionally when I'm going to Easy Video Suite or to Vimeo. The other one, if you have Adobe CSS, is the Adobe Media Encoder. The Media Encoder can put your video in any frame format, whether you're going to play it on a phone, or you're going to play it inside of a PDF, or you're going to upload it to Vimeo, or you're going to put it on a TV production. The Media Encoder does everything. Now, it's part of the CSS suite, so if you have Premiere, you already have Media Encoder.